200 hours and 300 hours. For Lucy Grant, I'm Rob Stokes. Join us again tomorrow for your new life station's English Hour. We leave you with the chorus and Summer Sunshine. And K-pop music throughout history with our handpicked playlist. Expect to hear timeless classics and rediscover long-forgotten gems. Tune in via mobile using the Core or KBS World Radio on-air app, available for free on the App Store and Google Play. You can also listen to us on Shortwave Radio. For more information, please visit our website at world.kbs.co.kr. We're going to listen to a few songs. We have Yoon with Brown Hair, High-Tech Lordy, followed by Kim Yeon with Sweetheart, Yeon이.